A holiday restoration. In a small, picturesque town nestled deep within the snowy embrace of winter, a group of friends gathered in anticipation of an exciting day ahead. The streets were adorned with twinkling lights and the air was filled with the joyful echoes of laughter. Among this group was a young boy named Tommy, who was known for his adventurous spirit and unyielding curiosity. As the day unfolded, Tommy found himself drawn to an old, weathered sleigh that had been left untouched for years. It was a one-horse open sleigh, a relic from the past, covered in a blanket of memories and dust. Tommy's friends were skeptical, but his heart swelled with excitement. He was determined to bring the forgotten sleigh back to life and make it a part of their holiday celebrations. With a bit of effort and the help of his friends, Tommy managed to refurbish the old sleigh, adorning it with jingle bells and sprucing up the worn-out bobtails. As the sun set and the stars began to twinkle overhead, Tommy and his friends decided to take the sleigh for a ride, singing a familiar tune, jingle bells, jingle all the way. As they glided through the snow-covered fields, the magic of the moment enveloped them. The sleigh, once forgotten, now carried the spirit of the season, and Tommy's heart swelled with pride. They laughed and sang as the bells on the bobtails rang, making their spirits bright. The adventure that had begun as a mere whim had turned into a cherished memory. Tommy and his friends continued to use the old sleigh throughout the holiday season, spreading joy and laughter wherever they went. They learned that sometimes, the most wonderful adventures are the ones we least expect, and the true magic of the holidays lies in the simple joys shared with friends and loved ones. One-horse open sleigh, Tommy whispered with a smile, as he looked back at the sleigh, now a symbol of their unforgettable adventure and the magic of the season. Jingle bells, the Canterbury Choir.